Let's go.
When you look at your to-do list, if you feel like at times that you look at it and it just like repulses you, like, oh, I don't want to think about it, it's probably because the items in your to-do list are vague and general. So what I'm going to encourage you to do is try to transform those items into items that start with action verbs. So if I were to look at your to-do list right now, would I see items that start with things like call or email or print or research or read or review? Or instead, would they be things that were like very general, like mom's birthday or budget meeting or conference? When you start with verbs, it helps you understand exactly the next action you need to take. And when you get to your list, it makes it so much easier to start doing. Hey guys, if you like this video, visit my website at oneproductiveminute.com to download free resources.